How to turn on profile view on TikTok. It's pretty quick and easy. So before starting the video, subscribe our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon so you can receive the notification of next video. Do like, comment and share as well. Without wasting the time, let's jump in your TikTok and make sure that you have a latest version. If you have the latest version of a TikTok, you can easily turn on your profile view. Just go to your profile icon and then go to your settings and privacy and scroll down until you find here your privacy. Just go to your privacy and scroll down until you find here the profile view option. If you have the older version of TikTok, you are not able to see this option here. If you still want to switch it on and you want to know who view your profile, just get out of here. At the way top of your screen, you can see the foot mark. Just click on that one and you can see who view your profile in last 30 days. Just click on the settings and you can easily switch off your profile view and you can easily switch it off. I have already switched it on. If you want to switch on, just switch on it here and see who viewed your profile in past 30 days. Once you click it, switch it on, you can see your profile view history very easily. Hope it helps. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye, and thanks for watching.